Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button on your screen and also give this video a huge thumbs up. Share this video also and click the notification bell so that each time I upload a video you'll be notified. So let's jump right into today's video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got from Jumia Black Friday sales. I've always seen it online, and this I've already opened it, but this is how it came. Practically this is how it came. What is missing is just the plastic bag that was used to wrap this when it came. But this is what I want to show you guys. Like, this is a mini selfie stick with few lights, so it still has light on it. So I'm going to show you guys because this is how it came. Nothing else came with the pack, with the plastic bag they used in wrapping this. This is just exactly how it is, as it is like this. So I'm going to show you guys what is in this. So I'm just opening this now, and yeah, wow. So only 3 things in it: the guide, instruction manual, the selfie stick itself, and the charger, because you can actually charge this. It has a small USB that you can use to charge the lights. So that is all. So I'm going to just open this up and show you guys exactly how it looks. So this is it, guys. This is my mini tripod selfie stick. This is a 2-in-1. You can use it as a selfie stick for vlogging or outdoor something, and you can also use this as a tripod stand. So it's actually a mini tripod stand. So I'm going to show you guys how this is. So come along with me because I'm going to do some demonstrations to show you guys exactly how this works. Before I forget, it's also a Bluetooth enabled selfie stick. Yes, you can use this with your phone, connect the Bluetooth, hold. There's actually something here you can hold to, as a sort of like a remote control for your, when you're videoing yourself or you're trying to take pictures and all that. So I'm going to show you guys practical ways, so no talking and all that. Just watch me how I set this up, and yeah. So this is it, guys. You just open it from the hair top there, and it has the 3 feet that it's going to use to stand. And also I think this is about 102 cm long. I'm not sure, but it's pretty much long, so you can use this even as a desk lamp. So it's okay. It's very strong. It's not as fragile as it looks, and it has a light. You can change the setting of the lighting. You can turn this for portrait, for landscape mode, and I'm just trying to tap it there to see how, if it's going to fall off and all that. But it's very strong. If you don't want to use this as a tripod stand, you can use this as a selfie stick and just set it however way you want it. It also has this opening to hold your phone. So I like this particular design because when you're done recording, you can just close it back, and so it's a very good buy. And yeah, it has a lock, something like a lock in there. Just put it down, close the phone holder, and that is it. Simple, portable, and very easy to use. So that is how to set it up. If you want to use it on the floor, if you want to use it on a desk, if you want to use it on your bed, if you want to use it pretty much anywhere you want to use it, you're free to use it. So I'm just going to show you guys the remote control. That is the Bluetooth enabled, sort of like a mouse. So you can see what it's there, capture. So when you press and hold this, a light comes up. So you can see the light is blinking here. Yeah, so you have to pair it with your phone. So you on the Bluetooth of your phone, and you're going to see this selfie on your phone. So you just pair it and you can use it. So while you set this up, you can hold this on your hands and press maybe record, or press your capture. You want to capture, you want to take pictures, you can just hold this and your camera will just be on your desk, on your bed, or wherever you place it, and then you can control it with this, as long as you pair it with your Bluetooth on your phone. So you can now make use of this. So that is pretty much it. Very easy, very simple. When you're done with it, you disconnect from your phone and hold this. The light is going to go off. Yeah, the light has gone off. So as you can see, the light has gone off. So I'm just going to put it back into this pot. So this is where it should be. If you don't want to hold it on your hands, you can just leave it here. If you don't want to use the Bluetooth, you can still leave it here. And see, you just put it in there, and that is it. So this is just a small manual guide. And then of course the USB, I told you can charge the lights. If it goes down, you can charge this. So it's just a short, and this is where you actually plug it to. It has a port. You plug it just like you're charging your phone. You just plug it there. Yeah, so this is it. Then you plug it to your electricity and your light will just charge. And then you close this back up. So it's a very portable, small device that you can use, and it's very cheap. I got this for 3,700. Yeah, 3,700 or 3,800, but it depends on the vendor. Different vendors sell for different price. So there's 4,000, there's 6,000, there's 7,000 still for this same device. So I got it at a very cheaper rate. So I got it for less than 4K. So by all means, check out Jumia. Other platforms sells it. Other platforms, I think Konga sells it too. I don't know if Amazon sells this, so I don't know. You can check that out. It's online. You can get it anywhere. So I'm not advertising or doing anything. I'm just showing you guys what I got, and I'm excited because I know that this will really help me a lot. So even if I'm outside, I go somewhere, it's something I can put in my bag and I can just bring it out. And if I want to make a video, I can make a video, I can take shots, I can do anything I want to do anywhere. So there's no restriction, because it's a very good buy and I'm happy with it. I love it, and that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it, if it's a good buy, it's a good investment, especially for YouTubers. And yeah, let me know pretty much in the comment section what you feel about this. Thank you guys for watching up to this point. If you actually did watch up to this point, please kindly leave me a comment, a very nice comment, and also like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.